again, we have another parallelogram. And so, again, we have to keep in mind that the area is equal to the base times the altitude height. So the altitude height always forms a 90-degree angle with one of the bases. So this would be my altitude height, and then this would be my base. So if I plug this in, the area is equal to the base times the height. So my area would be equal to the base, which would be 1.5 miles, times the altitude height, which would be 1.1 miles as well. Okay, sorry, that kind of fell off the screen there. So then I just got to write this, well, I got to multiply it out. So I'm going to take my handy dandy calculator, and I'm going to say 1.5 times 1.1. Is that right? Yep. 1.5 times 1.1, which is 1.65. So I get the area is equal to 1.65 miles, but we have been asked to round to the 10th spot. Just a quick reminder, if I have 0, 1, 2, 3, remember that the 0 is this multiplied by 1 over 10. Remember that the 1 is in the 100th spot, or 1 over 100. The 2 is in the 1000th spot, and the 3 is in the 10,000th spot. So it's just like your whole numbers and place value, except it's like the reciprocal. It's 1 over 10, 1 over 100, 1 over 1,000, 1 over 10,000. So my 10th spot is the 6. So to determine if I round up or round down, I go to the number to the right of the 10th spot, and it's 5 or greater, so we would round up. So then my answer is approximately 1.7 miles squared. And remember, for area, the units are always squared.